Hello, my name is Alexis Higgins, and I'm with the Mississippi Gulf Coast Chamber of Commerce, and I'm here to introduce this month's Chamber Member Spotlight. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Sean Folks with Guarantee Restoration. My mom and dad started our company about 50 years ago in a one-bedroom apartment, and now we have 5 locations located along the Gulf Coast. We opened our branch in Gulfport about 5 or 6 years ago and kind of have grown into the leader for what we do here in this area, which is fire damage, water damage, mold remediation, and then the reconstruction process afterwards as well. Nobody ever plans for a disaster, but when one happens, we're here and ready to serve. We're available 24/7, whereas if somebody calls us at 10 o'clock at night or 2 a.m. in the morning, we're ready to respond, to get out to the site, get everything cleaned up as quick as possible, whether it's a fire damage in a home or a water damage where a tub overflows. We go in, we dry everything out, clean it up, and then our construction teams will get in there and put it back to normal like nothing ever happened. Guarantee Restoration is the leader along the Gulf Coast in property restoration. And we're available 24/7, where that's not just a number, it's a guarantee.
On behalf of WXXV and the Mississippi Gulf Coast Chamber, congratulations to Guarantee Restoration Services on their business success. For more information on how you can win a Chamber Member Spotlight or join your Coast Chamber, visit us at mscoastchamber.com or call us at 228-604-0014.